EXAI News, here is your AI news brief, the biggest stories from the last 48 hours. First up, Elon Musk's XAI has officially rebranded to SpaceXAI, signaling a deeper integration with the aerospace giant to accelerate interplanetary intelligence. The Grok 4.5 private beta is now live for select testers, featuring massively enhanced reasoning capabilities and real-time telemetry data processing. In Europe, Mistral AI has unveiled Leanstral 1.5, a highly efficient model optimized specifically for edge devices and mobile integration. Benchmarks show it rivaling much larger models while using a fraction of the compute power, setting a new standard for localized AI efficiency. OpenAI is making waves with the GPT-5.5 Instant Mini, which is now rolling out directly within the ChatGPT interface for all users. This new model prioritizes lightning-fast response times at a significantly lower cost, making it ideal for high-volume developer workflows. Anthropic has officially restored Claude Fable 5, bringing one of its most advanced creative models back online after an extended maintenance period. The service status timeline is now green across all global regions, resolving the recent access issues reported by Claude Pro subscribers. Furthermore, Claude Sonnet 5 has now been set as the default model for all users, replacing the legacy 3.5 architecture across the platform. This shift reflects a massive surge in user adoption, as Sonnet 5 balances near Opus performance with significantly faster processing speeds. That is your AI update for today. Subscribe to EXAI Global so you never miss the latest headlines. I'm your host. See you tomorrow. EXAI Global, Future Accelerated.